Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
It's good to see you again.
If you're new here, I'm Cheryl.
And I'm Aaron.
We're a Reesor Design Studio.
We are.
So today's video, we're going to do a new kind of planter. I'm pretty excited about it. It'll be great for an herb garden.
Well, we had an idea coming in this morning and last minute found out Matthew Peach did it. So thanks, man.
Thanks, Matthew.
You ruined
Shout
our
out
week.
Matthew Peach.
Right. Anyway, this one is going to be 30 inches tall by 30 inches tall. Scratch that. 30 inches wide by 24 inches tall. And these sell for $275 online.
And it's going to be very low cost to build, so that's a really good profit.
Right. And
it's different. It's different from a lot of planters we've seen built on YouTube. So
these are shallow boxes. I would use it more for like a succulent planter or herb garden. Yeah, or just flowers.
Strawberries, anything really.
It's good. People sell planters, obviously, but you can put your spin on it and make it your own.
Yes.
And everybody wants a planter, so that leads us right into Comment of the Week. This week's comment comes from More Than Enough Woodwork 76, and it pertains to what we're doing for our project.
Thank you for sending in your comment.
They write, love all your content, been subscribed for a while now, and I really enjoy your projects. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Would love to see some planter builds that are not the typical 2 to 3 fence pickets that everybody else does. Something new that stands above the noise. Keep killing it.
All right.
You got it, man. We're going to kill it, all right.
We're going to try anyways.
We appreciate your comment.
Yes.
It's getting difficult to come up with new planter ideas that everybody else hasn't done.
Yeah.
So we're going to give it a shot, and we appreciate your input.
Yeah, and y'all keep the comments coming. We love reading them.
We do.
And maybe you'll get picked for comment
That's right.
of the week.
You never know. Okay, we're going to start here at the miter saw. We're going to start cutting up the parts for the boxes themselves. I'm going to put it up here on the screen. We need 8 of them at 30 inches. 8 of them at 5.5 inches and 4 of them at 28 3/4. So we're going to get all that cut up and we'll start making the boxes. This is for probably 6, what are they called? Fence pickets worth.
What are they called?
Yeah. Good Lord.
We do this all the time. We try to think of what we're trying to say, and it just doesn't come out.
Not a lot going on upstairs, y'all.
I'm sure a lot of you can relate.
Yeah.
It's kind of like walking into a room and forgetting what you went in there for.
Yeah.
I do that all the time.
The older I get, the less I can talk. So dumb. 4 of them at 28 3/4. I have to write it down and keep it close by because I will not remember that.
I've wanted one of these kind of planters for years for like a little herb garden, like some chives and basil and stuff.
Yeah.
Rosemary.
It'll be nice.
It will. I'm excited. It's about time to start gardening.
It is. We finally have nice weather here in Oklahoma for a change.
Yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of nice weather, and then it will turn into hot.
Tornado season.
And, oh yeah, we got to get through tornado season first.
All right, I'm not cutting these down width-wise. I'm leaving them all 5.5 wide. So very little cutting on pickets. Okay, we're just making simple boxes with our outdoor glue. A guest appearance by the air compressor.
It always wants to be on film.
Wanted to jump in and say hi.
Yep.
using really long finish nails to hold them together. Hopefully I don't blow through the side of these.
He'll blow through the side.
I bet it'll happen at least once. Alright, then we'll take one of the 28 inch, 28 3/4 and stick it right down in there. Yep, there you go.
Oh, you blew through?
I did.
Alright.
Alright, we'll do that 3 more times. These are the legs for our planter boxes. This is our leg. I made these out of 2x4s. You need 4 2x4s for the legs. So, what did I say? 5 pickets?
Yes.
5 pickets and 4 2x4s. I have cut them down so they're square on both sides and they're 2.5 inches wide. We'll get to that in a second on the table saw. Your cut list on this is going to be 30 inches for the tall up and down leg, 42 inches, and these are cut at 31.6 one way and the other way. It's 42 inches from long to short on the other leg. Then we've got 25 on the bottom. That's 25 inches from the point of the 31.6 to the square cut. 20 the same way. 15 and a quarter. 10 and 3/8 at the top. So I'll put all that up on the screen. Let's go get that stuff cut.
Hey guys, we noticed a lot of you that view the videos are not subscribed to the channel.
What is wrong with you?
If you would just take a moment and subscribe, we would greatly appreciate it. It helps our channel out so we can continue making content.
Yeah, we're out here busting it for you guys. Least you could do is hit the subscribe button. All right.
And please like and share the videos. That helps us out a lot. That helps us to bring us up in the algorithm so more people see our videos.
Just do it. Do it already.
Thank you.
Thanks. Okay, we are going to knock the rounded edges off of the 2x4s. Start out cutting them at 3 1/4, and then we'll move the blade to 2 1/2. Okay, now we're going to assemble the legs. I've got lines marked on each leg where I want it. And you don't have to space them like that. You can space them out a little more if you want. These will be sitting right on top of the one above it, basically. But there's room to spread them out a little bit if you want.
And if you were going to ship this, you would just use screws instead of nails, and pretty much it would be disassembled like it is right now, the 4 boxes, and those they would just have to screw on and then screw the boxes to them.
Yeah, I would, unless you're just all about screwing everything together, I would nail and glue the legs and then screw the boxes to the legs. That was if I were doing it. Some people don't have a giant nail gun like that, so screws work just as good. All right.
Submission time.
Yay! Here we go. There were 4 of you guys again this week. One is one we skipped over last week, and I apologize.
Sorry about that.
Yep, her name is Connie Jenkins, and she did the barn quilt thing.
Thank you, Connie. It
really
looks great.
good. Yeah,
Love it.
I like it a lot. The next one is Jason. I'm going to screw this up, man. Jason LaSchiava, I hope.
I hope, yeah.
He did the tack trunk, which is
It looks great. Thank you, Jason.
awesome.
Yes.
Yeah. The third one is Bruce Reesor.
Thank you, Bruce.
Thank you. He did the cedar chest.
It looks great too.
And the last one is Kipling Key.
Thank you, Kipling.
Thank you. He did the covered bridge bird feeder and the little planters with the legs on them.
They all look great. You guys are all very
killed it.
talented. Thank you so
I almost
much.
said a bad word in the middle of this, and I apologize.
He says them all the time, y'all.
Yep. If you guys want to participate, here's our email address. We'd love to see your stuff.
Put in the subject, viewer submission.
That's right. Send us your stuff.
Yes. Thank you.
We're going to line the top one up with the back leg, the back of the back leg, and I'm just using some 1 3/4 gold screws, and we're going to screw the boxes to the legs. You want that with the front edge of the lip there?
Well, the back of it meeting the front of the one above it.
That's basically it.
Yeah.
So on the second one down, we're lining up the front edge of the box with the top edge of that angled cut, and it just so happens to line up with the face of the one above it. I didn't plan that, that was just luck. Actually, it's because I'm a fantastic carpenter and I meant to do it like that. Alright, so we get further down and they don't line up like that.
Spoke too soon.
Huh?
You spoke too soon.
Yeah. We'll still line them up with the face. They'll just be sticking out a little bit. One screw is probably good in that one. And then the last one. I know you guys can't see this. Can't. There. Now we can bring the other leg over.
All right, guys, here's the finished planter.
Yup.
It turned out great. I've been wanting one like this for a long time. I'm gonna put make an herb garden out of it and put different kinds on each level. I don't know if you want to turn it around to the side so they can see it that way. I think it'll be great for a patio garden. You could put whatever kind of plants in it you want. You could do flowers. You could do small vegetables. Succulents. But I think these are best for herbs, or strawberries would be great in one of these as well.
Or if you live in an apartment and you have a small balcony, this would be perfect for that.
It would. So
lots of applications.
And how much would you say this cost to make?
15.
We're not
$25.
$25, and what does something this size sell for?
$275. Actually, this is bigger than the one we priced, so I would do $300 on this one.
Yeah, so that is huge profit. And like we showed you, you could have the boxes separate from the sides and ship it like that, and then they can just screw it together, include some instructions, and they could do that at home really easy. So yeah, the shipping wouldn't be bad at all either.
So, Mr. Comment of the Week, here you go. This one's for you.
Yes. Thank you again, guys. And if you haven't had a chance, please subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, do that.
Like the video and share. It means so much to us.
It does. It really helps.
And we look forward to seeing your comments for next week's comment.
That's right. Bring it on, y'all.
All right, guys.
See you later.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.